What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally picked up our Turbo 135 CVOST from All American down in Miami. And furthermore, man, it was a freaking nice, fun first ride, but I didn't even give you guys the real first ride. So I got to set up my helmet so you guys will be able to get that view and audio and everything, because you guys know we gave away our helmet with all the holes set up to the last winter, man. So I can't wait to set this one up. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in today. Meanwhile, man, we do got some new Everything Regular flame hats on the site, man. Go ahead and copy one right now, man. Any hat you purchase on the site, we'll give you a shot at winning whatever we have next in our giveaway. And if you was wondering what's next, hey, you might get a glimpse of it today, man. You know what time it is. It's time to go yay yay. Head on over to the website, that'sregular.com, man. You can go get yourself a new flame Everything Regular hat. Any hat you purchase, we'll give you a chance at winning something great on the channel, man. Stay tuned for the next giveaway. And speaking of what we have next to come, man, now it's not the Turbo CVOST just yet, but you guys did see we got a 2018 Road Glide in maybe a few weeks ago now, and it's been sitting like this pretty much ever since we got it. We had to get a whole new front end, forks, fairing support bracket. Not only that, we had to get a whole new paint set and everything for that thing, man. So now if we step back over here on the mat, all these parts are literally for that bike right there. So we are down to the wire on waiting on the paint. Everything is pretty much here that's not getting airbrushed. Oops, did I leak that out? Now you guys know I've been trying to step it up bike after bike, man. This new 2025 fever that I got is really going up just because our purple bike came out dope. Now this next one has to come out even better, man. So with that being said, we have our paint set right here, but that's not the final product of how the bike is gonna look, man. So the main parts like the outer fairing, the bags and the side covers and the gas tank is not here yet, but everything else is here. So we're gonna try to put together as much as we can. Meanwhile, not only that, like I said, we do got a bunch of parts right here that we got to put together. We got our inner fairing there, front, rear fenders. We got our spoiler over there. We got our dash, our gauges, bag latches, storage door covers, speaker covers, everything over here. The rear fender trim, fork sliders. And then you guys know, since those forks are bent, we got brand new fork legs with the tubes and everything on these daddy-os. So I just gotta unwrap these things, but if I just unwrap them real quick, they looking good. All we need is the black lowers, which I do have the new fresh black lowers. Now I went and took these things to get powder coated. So these are gonna be nice, new and clean and sick, as well as this crash bar. So all we really gotta do is switch over these fork lowers, and then we can really start putting the bike together. So I'm gonna try to get that done here either today or tomorrow morning. But in the next couple of days, man, this thing should look a whole lot different. Not only that, the bike should be complete within the next week or so, man. So I can't wait for that. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Head on over to that'sregular.com right now. Go get you a flame hat, man. Any flame hat you purchase will enter you in for a chance to win a giveaway. Now I know you guys are waiting for the big daddy back here. I'm not gonna hold you. I love this turbo setup so much that I gotta get a turbo setup for this bike right here, man. So not only do we have one turbo build, we're actually about to have two turbo bikes, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning a turbo bike from your boy Everything Regular, man, head on over to the website, that'sregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular flame hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, we got some things to do today. So I got to switch out this inner fairing right here. So I'm actually gonna take off all the paint and stuff in here in a second, at least of the stuff that we're gonna put on the bike today. We can pretty much get everything on there. However, I really don't wanna start just because we don't got our forks together, and we really need our forks so we can get everything intact and A1. So once we get our forks swapped over, we can do that. And I'm thinking by tomorrow, we can get that thing a good start. So right now, I think I'm gonna switch over the inner fairing just so it can be ready for tomorrow. Here is our current inner fairing, got the speakers, radio, everything right there. So it's gonna be pretty simple. Just swap it on over, get it on our color matched inner fairing, and then that'll be one less task we have to complete, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We about to get this show on the road. I can't wait to see how this bike comes out. But first, I actually ordered this bolt kit. Now, I didn't order the one from Santoro. So let's see what we got here, man. you know, Santuro, charge an arm and a leg. I think I'm about to be able to get these things to you for half the price, man. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully this worked properly. Now, these are the colored engine spacers that go with the bolts. So the plan is to cover the engine bolts in this like color washer, man. So we're gonna see how this works out. And if it works out for me, then I'll let it work for you. And you guys can find it on the site, so stay tuned. Meanwhile, guys, I tried to take the easy way out, ordered these little colored spacers and whatnot, and these don't work because when you take these bolts out, these bolts got like a spacer right there, so you would have to get whole new bolts if you get these, which is still not bad, but depending on how much you can get the bolts for will be if you're gonna save some money or not. So we'll come back to those later. Meanwhile, man, we did get our fork legs situated. So we got our black fork legs on there now. I can take that freaking wrap off. We can just take all this paint wrap off the parts, and then from there see what we can put on the bike right now. Meanwhile, man, it's time to get this thing going. Now that we got the fork legs on there, we can get this thing back on twos and can get it that much more done. We're almost done with the paint, but we got most of it here, man. So y'all stay tuned, we're gonna get it in motion. And before we get into that, man, we do got new hats right now live on the site, man. New suede, gray, everything regular hat. Of course, you got the flame all the way around it. Go ahead, head to the website. Whatever hat you purchase, it will enter you in for a chance to win a giveaway. Now, you guys know we're gonna be announcing what we are giving away here pretty soon in the next few days or so. So if you guys wanna get in early, new everything regular hats is live on the site. We got the black one with the orange and blue. Then we have this nice yellow one with the flames on it. Of course, like I said, everything is on the site, man. That's regular.com. Go ahead and get you a hat. Any hat you purchase on the site will give you a chance to win our next giveaway. Now, whatever we give away next, it will be turboed out. So you guys can either get that one or this one. I haven't decided which one I'm gonna do first, but this one will be turboed out as well, man. But furthermore, it's time to get this thing on twos and get this thing pretty much together, because it's been sitting like that since we got it, man. So first things first, we're gonna take all the paint wrap off this stuff and see what we're looking like real quick. Alrighty, guys, we got everything unwrapped. We got our nice new gloss black forks, gloss black freaking crash bar. Of course, we got our dash, rear fender, speaker covers, front end parts. Now, don't get it confused. We still got some other stuff we're doing, so you guys might get a cool idea of what we're doing. But this is really just the base, man. Everything else should be done hopefully in the next couple days or so. But this thing actually got some gold in it, but you guys can't really see it right now, so I'll have to show you guys here shortly. But all in all, what we can get done today is our front end. So we're gonna get this this interference switched over from this one. So we're gonna put that on this interference. From there, we'll swap out our fairing support bracket, and then from there, we'll put on our legs and try to get that front end pretty much all tidy together, I guess, today. So we'll see how it goes, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so we got as much as we can get done on this interference, being that not only one of our freaking radio brackets is freaking bent up and all that stuff, but two of our radio brackets is actually like bent up and all that, man. So I just ordered another bracket off of eBay. No big deal there. Gonna clear these fairings out, and then I guess we can just start putting on our freaking fork legs, our crash bar, and maybe get our oil cooler cover and spoiler situated, man. We'll see if we can get that done right now, see what's up. Alrighty guys, so we got our fork legs off. Was a little bit of a hassle. We got our new fairing support bracket on there. We got our crash bar off. So now it's time to get our new fork legs on there, our new crash bar, and our new spoiler, which is, where is it? Right there, man. So we're gonna get this stuff set up, ready to go. Hopefully it'll be good to go. The only thing I can think of that's gonna give us an issue is getting this axle out of here because it seems to be freaking stuck. So we'll have to figure out a way to get that out. Meanwhile, we're almost there with this front end. Like I said, we couldn't get our inner fairing complete today. I didn't realize our freaking radio bracket was freaking bent, but all in all, it is together. And this is the old bent up daddy right here. You just see, that thing is bent up. So a little bit more work to go, but we should be able to get this thing back on twos today. Alrighty guys, oh man, it is so freaking hot out here today. I am sweating bullets, man. Definitely sweating bullets, but let's just catch you up to speed real quick. Let's just catch you up to speed. So I'm over here moving so freaking fast. Can y'all see what I did wrong? I didn't even put my sliders on there, man. So I didn't button the freaking forks down and everything. Forgot my whole sliders over here, man. So I think I'm done for today. As much as we did, it might not seem like a lot to y'all, but it's been a whole lot of this and a whole lot of that. And it's hot as heck today. I think I'm gonna pick this up in the morning. But for now, man, you guys let me know what you guys think about it so far. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't purchased the hat, man, head on over to thatsregular.com right now. Go get yourself everything regular flame hat. Either one of the four will gain you entry into our new giveaway, which we will be announcing which one it is here pretty soon, man. So if you guys want to get in early, you guys know what to do. Meanwhile, man, definitely appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm about to freaking pack up, get out of here, man. I gotta come back in the morning. I'm freaking whooped. I ain't gonna lie, them forks, trying to get them off and everything was just the worst. But furthermore, man, we got them done and we got the new forks on there. We're gonna see what's good. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's up.